My name is Colonel Kumar Pratap Singh. I served in the army for about 30 years plus, but had started the school about 40 years back. I'm the chairman of the school. The ethos and culture in the school is more like the army, the way we have the patriotism in the army and the personality development, and that is the culture that we are doing.
We are amongst the top elite schools of Gurgaon with over 30 years of existence. It is a +2 school affiliated to CBSE, and 3 years in a row, in fact, our children have produced excellent results. We were among the top 100 schools of CBSE on the basis of board results.
So initially, the old ways, we were using chalk and blackboard method only, but of course there are some things which cannot be explained on blackboard as well, so there was a need for some sort of software. So we switched on to the projector, but then there was again limitation.
The purpose was, can it be a little faster? Can we pack maximum possible during those 35 to 40 minutes of teacher's period? That was one of the reasons when we were looking for every time for something newer and which was more efficient.
So when we saw this interactive flat panel, it was giving us all these solutions. I'm using it for teaching, I'm using it for conducting exams, I'm using it for conducting quizzes, and I'm using it to teach in an interesting way, that is, seeing is believing. So that is why I say that it's one-stop solution. Teacher doesn't have to go to 3-4 places or run to computer lab every time to get something.
Particularly like when I talk about your BenQ IFP model, it works wonders without doubts.
The classes have not become monotonous or boring. I mean, it's like the teachers have imported that wow factor and that aha factor. Oh, what is she going to show me today? The best part is that it is teacher friendly, user friendly, and this was one thing that they readily accepted and cheerfully adapted.
After seeing the results, we thought we might as well have this in the center instead of the blackboards.
So because of the interactive flat panel, teaching as well as learning both have become easier. And the child is adapted now towards this learning, this hybrid form of a learning.
The children's response has been excellent. The children have been, demanding every day that we should use the flat panel. Even as a teacher, the change that I have seen in the students while using this has been that they have become more enthusiastic, they have become more responsive.
Nobody has ever complained of eyes being watery or a problem with the vision or something like that. No. So the eye care feature of the panel has helped us a lot.
I like the whiteboard where you can use the different color pens at the same time. So it really helps you to explain to the children different things. So basically one of the best features of this interactive panel is that while playing the videos, you can pause it and then you can annotate on that video itself. Then you can also print it if you want. You can email it also to the students.
Now it has another feature, AMS, where I can log in, and it's all my personal panel where I can teach, save all my data, and there is no overlapping. So any other teacher comes, they can log out and they can log in by their own account so that they can also save their data.
The picture quality is excellent. It is 4K, and the colors and all, they really pop out while we are showing any video or even a picture to the students.
It also has a feature of voice assistant where it can recognize my voice, and whenever I want to log in, I just say it. I don't have to type it.
So we have a class strength of around 40 students approximately, and whenever the videos are going on, everybody is really captivated by them, and the sound quality is also excellent, and even the children at the back of the class, so they can hear it very conveniently.
Earlier we had 2 panels, but it has improved our teaching methods, so we have increased the number to 10.
An interactive flat panel in a classroom, there's no other example that I can say is better right now in a classroom.
If these interactive platforms were not there, maybe the curriculum transaction wouldn't have been as effective as it is now. This BenQ has been a boon, especially now in this pandemic days. Teaching learning process has been of the same good quality as it would have been in physical classroom. They are surely going to adapt to it, and the teachers will take it as easily as a fish to water. I'm sure they'll find it very, very useful.